Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and this one in particular was requested by one of my lovely subscribers. So here I am just pushing back the cuticles, and then you guys will see that I am buffing out the nails. And by the way, the reason why I always make sure to buff out these gel full cover nail tips is because it gives it more of a seamless plush look when you apply it on the nail plate. And I will have these full cover nail tips listed down below. They're currently $9.99 on Amazon. I just checked recently. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. So here I just began to apply the base on all the nails while curing them at the same time under my UV lamp for a couple seconds. And at first I am only placing on 3 nails, and the reason being is because these 3 particular nails are the ones that are going to have full-on polish, and the other ones I will have to add the butterflies on the other side with the glitter. Therefore I am gluing these on first. Here I just use a top coat to adhere my butterflies and my stars, and then I go in with this glitter polish that I got at the Dollar Tree. I go over top after I'm done placing them. I show you 2 ways that you can do it. The first way is this way, placing the butterflies and stars first and then applying the glitter on top, or you can add the glitter first and then add the butterflies. I show you guys both ways. What I love the most about this tutorial is the fact that it's so simple and so easy, and you can do this in under 15 to 20 minutes, and it's just very achievable. Anybody can go and literally get these things. There's so many glitters and hearts and all these type of things at the Dollar Tree or at a craft store that are affordable. You don't necessarily have to spend a lot of money. I really enjoy creating videos that anybody can recreate. So yeah, I just love when I'm able to create videos that are very easy, very achievable, and that turn out beautiful. After I'm done with the nail, what I do is I place on a gel top coat and then I cure it under the UV lamp. But if you guys don't have that, you can also use nail glue. There's a bunch at the Dollar Tree and I use them all the time and they work just as fine. So here I'm just using the beetle polishes. By the way, I really love the beetle polishes. They're just beautifully pigmented. They're super easy to work with. I really recommend them. I get them from Amazon. They have a bunch of sets and sometimes they're on sale as well. So here I'm just applying a layer of the Beetles top coat, and then I just cure it under my UV lamp for a couple seconds. here are the final results of the nails. I absolutely love this set. Let me know down below what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.